I met this girl in Mumbai. I walked up to her as a stranger, but the way she smiled, I knew this conversation was going somewhere.
Excuse me. Hi. Where are you from?
I'm from Chandigarh.
Chandigarh.
Yeah.
यहाँ कैसे?
I study in Pune, symbiosis, so I just came for.
Simbi girl, huh?
Yeah.
So would you like to be part of a conversation?
Sure, why not?
Sure?
Yeah.
Great.
Hi.
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 अभिषेक.
Lavanya.
Lavanya. Nice to meet you. Lavanya बहुत ही एक Delhi, South Delhi kind of name है.
Not the first time I've heard it.
Not the first time you have heard. Of course.
How old are you?
Me? Guess.
21.
20. Do I look 21? No.
Okay.
You're just being.
You look 23.
Take another guess.
Like up, down.
Up.
Okay. 26.
I'm 30.
No, I wouldn't have guessed that.
You wouldn't?
No.
I get that a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You look like a college going person. Like
And you look
MBA.
like a teenager. That's why I asked if you are over 18. Because over
Do you need an
18.
ID?
You're very ऐसा ना कि okay ठीक है. Whatever will make it work.
Yeah, like.
Are you that kind of person जो who would not मतलब ऐसा hesitate नहीं होगी चीजें करने में क्या नया experience है will do it.
I'm like a very impulsive person. कि कुछ करना है चलो चलते हैं क्या कर रहे हैं हम like,
We'll see about it.
We'll
क्या
see
था
about
जाता है?
it.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not good to overthink about something.
Wow. Talking like 40.
Do you overthink?
I'm a big overthinker.
If you had to like do something right now, would be like, should I do it? Should I do it now?
Not right now. Like when I'm out in the public.
Yeah.
And जब मैं पूरे zone में हूँ जहाँ पे I'm putting myself out there every half an hour.
Yeah.
So then I would not think that much. मतलब अभी कुछ भी random अगर कोई मुझे बोले तो मैं कर दूंगा. But when I'm at my home in my comfort zone, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा overthink करता हूँ हर चीज़ को लेके. मतलब before coming to Mumbai also I was like कि मैंने 50 बार खुद को मना किया कि मुझे नहीं जाना, नहीं करते हैं, नहीं जाते हैं, ये वो. देन मैं जैसे तैसे निकला, मैंने कहा जो होगा देखेंगे, कुछ काम नहीं बनेगा, घूम फिर के आ जाएंगे, लेकिन जाएंगे.
मेरा it was very impulsive. I was supposed to go home
Okay.
winters के लिए, but I was like no. I'll just come to Bombay for like 2-3 days. I'll do whatever I can.
Yeah.
No itinerary, no nothing. I just roamed around. Young, do you really want to do what you're doing right now?
No.
No? What do you want to be?
I don't know actually. Because मैं हमेशा से वही भेड़ चाल में ही चलता आ रहा था.
क्रिकेटर बनना है.
नहीं वैसे नहीं, मतलब बस पता नहीं था कुछ भी लाइफ में क्या करना है, लेकिन मैं बस आई वाज जस्ट गोइंग विद द फ्लो कि जो मिल रहा है जैसे चल रहा है. देन केम 2015 when I had a breakup, my first breakup. After that I just started running and I wanted to be the best runner in the world.
Like when did you provoke someone?
Me?
ऐसे नेट पे कुछ डाल के.
Every time I do that. मतलब
Give me like
every other time.
biggest example.
अभी कुछ ही दिन पहले का है.
क्या करा?
I approached this girl. I wanted to record something. So she didn't want to talk. And I'm okay with it if you don't want to talk. But उसने जैसे चेहरे बनाए, उसने जैसा एक्सप्रेशन दिया. And I travel a lot. तो मैं इंडिया के बाहर भी बहुत रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ. तो मतलब people are usually nice. She was very bad with her face जो उसने expressions बनाए. And तो I just posted it as a motivation for other people. सारा कुछ ब्लर वर करके सब हटा के मैंने वो पोस्ट करवाया था कि मतलब लोगों को पता चले कि ग्राउंड, क्योंकि लोगों को क्या लगता है ना कि मतलब बहुत बार मैं स्क्रिप्टेड वीडियोस बनाता हूँ. जैसे हम बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं, लोगों को लग रहा है ये बैठ के लिखता है. अच्छी बात है, मतलब तुम्हारे साथ कोई बोर तो नहीं होता होगा, मैं ये बोल सकता हूँ.
कोई भी नहीं होता.
कोई बोर तो नहीं होगा तुम्हारे साथ बैठ के.
But I've seen people leaving.
Leaving?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not like in a romantic manner.
Then?
As friends leaving.
Why do you think is that?
Jealousy.
Jealousy. Okay. I would say लड़कियों की ही बात कर रहे हैं हम, because no guy would
like I
ever
have
get
like
jealous.
2-3 guy friends जैसे भाई हैं, and I don't think so they'll leave me because they're jealous.
Yeah. Okay.
First time के दोस्त हमेशा नहीं रहते.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you been through that?
I don't actually have a lot of friends. I have only a few friends. जैसे जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि मतलब जैसे जैसे तुम्हारी एज बढ़ती है वैसे वैसे तुम्हारे दोस्त
circle
कम होते
छोटा
जाते हैं,
होता है।
सर्कल छोटा होता जाता है.
Yeah.
सो आई हैव तो एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट. वो जो रूट बेसिक लेवल से होता है ना, मैंने तो वहां से पूरा लेके एक्सपीरियंस किया है उसको, जहाँ पे मैंने अच्छे से अच्छे दोस्त, लड़के दोस्त, जिनको मैंने सोचा था कि यार ये तो भाई है, ये तो मतलब उनको भी खत्म होते हुए देखा है, मतलब जाते हुए देखा है. एंड वो भी ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है कि उन्होंने मुझसे बात बंद की या मैंने उनसे बात बंद की. वो बस
Happens.
हम अपनी अपनी लाइफ में इतने
Yeah.
बिजी हो गए कि वो बातें कहीं ना कहीं खत्म हो गई और आज बात ही नहीं होती है. जो मतलब कुछ साल पहले इतना मैटर करते थे मेरे लिए, वो आज है ही नहीं. मेरी कहीं से कहीं तक मेरी पूरे पूरे दुनिया में नहीं है वो अब. तो
That's actually sad.
इट इज सैड. तो सबसे अभी रिसेंटली सबसे बड़ी सीख क्या मिली है जहाँ पे तुमको लगा कि यार काफी मुश्किलों के बाद सीखी हूँ ये चीज में?
Good question. I'll take a second to think.
टेक योर टाइम, टेक योर टाइम.
Okay. One thing I've learned is कि just go for it.
जस्ट गो फॉर
I
इट.
got a tattoo recently अभी आकर. And that means
व्हाट इज
that
इट? कॉस्ट?
se lave. It's like French.
कॉस्ट?
Se lave.
ओके, व्हाट डज इट मीन?
It means that that's life. Like
Okay.
whatever you do, that's just it.
Okay.
Consequences होंगे कुछ करने के. You'll make impulsive decisions, but you have to live it.
ओके,
Yeah. So I think कि just go for it. That's my biggest lesson.
जो भी होगा देखा
देखा
जाएगा.
जाएगा. Yeah.
ये टैटू का क्या है, मतलब मुझे पहले एक बार एक्सप्लेन करो. व्हाई डू गर्ल्स वांट
I have
tattoos all
like
over
one
your
here.
butterfly tattoo?
Yeah, and I one Lily.
How many tattoos do you have?
Like
Three.
अभी के लिए 3.
क्यों, मतलब ये क्या है फैसिनेशन टैटूज के
This
साथ
is
में?
so pretty.
ये फैसिनेशन के लिए रीजन तो नहीं हो सकता कि जस्ट बिकॉज इट्स प्रिटी आई हैव इट ऑन माय बॉडी?
No, I think again very impulsive decision. I just go. If I like, this was a souvenir. I came to Pune. I had a souvenir. Like tattoo
Okay.
for me is like if I go somewhere and I want some कि उस चीज को देख के मेरे को उस चीज की याद आए.
बट
That is a souvenir.
ऐसे तो फिर तुम बहुत सारे टैटू बनवा लोगी, तुम अलग अलग जगह प्लेसेस
yeah.
पे जाओगी तो.
Yeah. Why not?
Okay, so now I know that you are in a relationship.
Yes, I am.
Okay, how is it going? Would you like it to be in the video? Okay, then it's fine.
It's great.
How is it going?
No, it's like very recent, like a month and a half.
Oh, it's very recent. You're still getting to know each other.
Yeah.
Okay. How did you guys meet? If you would like to share this.
Yeah, I'll tell you. It's like really fun stuff.
You're very happy about it.
Yeah.
I understand that. But would you really want it to be on the internet?
like,
It's fine
yeah,
with you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
So we met in college.
Okay.
First day, documentation day.
Okay.
I went in the college. I needed to get some printouts done, and he was there to like be there as a senior. He's my senior,
Okay.
and he was getting the printouts done, and he couldn't figure out how the printer works.
Okay.
And I was like, "OCD wale, can you like not figure out like you're a senior? Can you
Not
please censor it?
that. Yeah.
Can you censor it? Like, can you please figure out how that works?" And I got really pissed at him.
Okay.
And like 1 month later, he's an artist.
Okay.
He, like makes music. He's
Ah.
yeah. So
I get it.
You get it?
I get it.
You get it? So we just met and we started talking. I approached him first. I was like, "Hey, I like you."
Wow.
Yeah. See,
I
girl-
like this kind of girls. जो कि they know what they want and they'll work for it.
Yeah, I just
Yeah.
I messaged him. I was like, "Hey, I like you. Can we meet up?" And then we started talking.
Wow. Huh, so what was I saying?
Heartbreak.
Yeah, I'm really worried about you now.
Why?
Because it is going to be bad. Okay, mark my words. ठीक है? 27th. What is it today?
It's 28.
28th December 2025. Whenever it is going to be really bad. But trust me, if you just get out of it and grow out of it, it will be the best thing you will ever learn from in your life.
Okay.
Just trust me on
I
that.
mean, yeah, I really want to have an heartbreak so that I can get the feeling.
No, I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying that life is not fair. It is going to happen someday. Happens with everyone. We just don't expect it. Okay.
Okay, like you're scaring me now. Like,
Oh no, I don't want to scare
no,
you.
like, you're scaring me.
I don't want to scare you, but you'll learn from it. Tell me something really interesting about Lavanya.
In fact, about me is I read like 50 books.
50 books.
50 fictional books. I'm not like, oh my god, मेरे को novels पढ़नी है.
Okay.
Fictional books in like span of like few months.
Few months, 50 books.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Yeah, like even though if it was like few chapters of like fictionals, but
Okay.
I've read that. Oh my god, I love them.
मौसम काफी अच्छा है.
धूप हो रही है थोड़ी.
So Lavanya, Miss Lavanya, how was it talking to me?
Okay, honestly it was damn boring. You just wasting so much of my time.
मुझे क्या लगता है ना कि मतलब बहुत बार मैं स्क्रिप्टेड वीडियोस बनाता हूँ. जैसे हम बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं, लोगों को लग रहा है ये बैठ के लिखता है.
Yeah, you did send me a script.
क्या? कब भेजा था मैंने?
अभी like approach करने से पहले वो like can I send you the script?
Oh, nice. You are a very good actor. Maybe you have never faced it and you might never face it. I'll be happy for you. Yeah. Let's hope. Yeah. Let's hope that every girl does that. Why? Why do you believe that भूसा है यहाँ पे? Why do you believe that?
Okay, it's like okay, like
हंसदे चेहरे
आप लोग कैमरा में आ रहे हैं, हम लोग रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं तो आप लोग कैमरा में.
Okay.
अच्छा खासा टाइम पास हो गया मेरा.
Oh God, was I just another time pass for you?
Yeah.
Why is every Lavanya like this?
चलो मैं टैक्सी बुक कराती हूँ. I need to leave. मेरी ट्रेन है.